How to fix delayed write failed error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Expand the disk drives section. Right-click the problematic drive and select Properties. Go to the Policies tab. Uncheck the Enable Write Caching on the device box. Attempt to copy the files from the drive once more. Right-click the desired drive and choose Properties. Go to the Tools tab. Click the Check button. If no issues are detected, you can still choose to scan drive for a more thorough check. After this, for SSD, click the Optimize button, and then click Optimize again to address any potential drive issues. For HDD, select the defragmentation option to resolve any bad sectors. Repeat the steps and click Browse My Computer for drivers. Point to the driver's location on your computer. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process.